So I think 3 months ago, it was pretty much 100% or like most of our time was a human driving an agent. The humans, every week, they are moving faster because they know how to work with agents better, they are learning, but also gradually they are updating the projects, the code bases, the infrastructure to work better with agents. So you have another multiplier in all of these compounds. And so there's been just an exponential increase. But now we are starting to find more and more that systems that run outside of our computer autonomously are getting production ready even for sophisticated or complex worst cases. We still test carefully because we are responsible for systems that run in production that serve millions of users, and it needs to work really reliably. But as we make those experiments, less the agent being driven by a human, but more an agent executing a process that we designed on the cloud, this is becoming more and more of a reality. We are implementing that from the smallest or easiest use cases to the more complex ones, so that gradually we are building a harness that manages our entire engineering workflow. That way, we are just ensuring that the quality is good and improving the system as we go to ensure that it covers a bigger piece of the software development lifecycle. This can also be translated to business operations. So having some of my management tasks running when I'm not on the computer. And so I think that's the biggest change. Is like now we have a smaller percentage of our time driving an agent actively, and is more about how can we prepare the systems for the agents to do the work for the next day or the next week.